Two top BI platforms. One crucial decision for 2025. Which analytics tool actually delivers where it counts? On the left, Looker Studio, the cloud-native, user-friendly reporting choice from Google. On the right, Qlik Sense, renowned for powerful associative analytics for enterprises. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into what matters for real users. Each category earns points, so by the end, you'll know exactly which platform comes out ahead. The result might just surprise you. All right, before we get wild with the details, here's the mind map. We're looking at price, data modeling, visualization and interactivity, ease of use, integration and deployment, scalability and governance, customization and extensibility, and market position and community. Buckle up. This is going to be fun. Let's kick off with price. So Looker Studio, it's literally free for individuals and teams. Yep, $0. And honestly, that's just awesome for anyone starting out or small teams who don't want to gamble cash. Super easy onboarding, no scary bills. But hang on. You do miss out on some premium features, especially if you want super advanced governance stuff. Now, swap to Qlik Sense. This is like professional league. You get wild advanced features. But the catch? The price is steep. It's kind of built for enterprises with budgets to burn. So if you're not in a big company, this one's probably not budget friendly. Winner here? Yeah, Looker Studio takes it. Next up, data modeling. Looker Studio works like a charm with Google Cloud and anything in their family. Fast, cloud-native, amazing for digital analytics. But if you want to do those crazy on-premise or deep, complex models, it's not really meant for that. Flipping to Qlik Sense, this is where things get spicy. The associative engine lets you mash up tons of sources, even on-prem, so exploring big, messy datasets feels doable. It's basically unifying at a whole different level. The flip? That in-memory engine can slow down when you go mega-sized with your data. Honestly, both rock in their own territory, so I'm calling this one a tie. Now, visualization and interactivity. Everybody wants pretty dashboards, right? Looker Studio, simple, clean, modern. You get basic interactivity. And those templates? Super handy for quick one-offs. But, not gonna lie, Qlik Sense just levels up here. Dashboards are super interactive. You can really dig deep, play around, and the custom visuals are chef's kiss. There's a learning curve, though, getting those advanced designs down. But when you do, it's worth it. Winner? Qlik Sense, hands down. Oh, and here's something cool, just so you know. Qlik Sense's associative engine doesn't just show you related stuff. It actually helps you see totally unrelated data paths in your analytics. Like, the rabbit hole goes way deeper than you'd expect. Ease of use is huge. Looker Studio is basically the definition of user-friendly. You just drag, drop, build your report, share it with a Google sign-in. No coding needed for the essentials. But you want to get fancy? You'll need a little know-how, at least on your data sources. Qlik Sense? It's great for self-serve, data-savvy folks. Power users love it. But if you're a beginner, the setup and custom stuff, yeah, expect a bit of a head-scratcher. So, Looker Studio wins the easy button, no contest. Integration and deployment. This is about what you can plug in and where you can run the thing. Looker Studio easily hooks into Google Marketing Suite, Sheets, BigQuery, all the Google Cloud goodies, and you just use it in the browser. Easy peasy. Downside? It doesn't play much with non-Google or old-school on-prem stuff. Qlik Sense, whoa, this one is uber flexible. Cloud, hybrid, on-premise for those regulated industries, plus it has API love everywhere. But yeah, more setup required sometimes. Overall, for integration muscle, Qlik Sense takes it. All right, scalability and governance. Looker Studio? Super fast for lightweight dashboards. Sharing is a breeze. But the second you go bigger, like version control, semantic modeling, you hit limits unless you add Looker/LookML. Qlik Sense, though, is all about big business. Enterprise-level controls, model management, versioning, you know, all the things that IT folks rave about. Makes life easier if you need full-on governance. Winner here, Qlik Sense. No surprise. Customization and extensibility. Time to break out your coding wizard hat. Looker Studio is kind of basic here. Templates, themes, great for rapid reporting, but that's about it. If you want deep custom vibes, not happening. Qlik Sense is way more ambitious. You basically get mashups, APIs for custom widgets, scripting. You can embed analytics into your apps or unleash wild business logic. You do need developers for all that magic, though. Winner? Qlik Sense for sure. Last one, market position and community. Looker Studio's got street cred with digital marketers, startups, Google Cloud fans. And the free part means tons of users. Downsides? Not massive in enterprises. Qlik Sense has those giant global installs and a really buzzing developer community. Huge name in big companies, but probably less chill if you're just a small team wanting something simple. For reach and influence, Qlik Sense edges it out. So let's pop everything onto the radar chart. You can literally see how Looker Studio rules the budget and simplicity zones, but Qlik Sense is out here dominating analytics depth, integration, and enterprise stuff. It's wild how different their strengths look side by side. Honestly, here's the deal. If you want easy, free, and quick cloud reporting, especially if you live in Google land, Looker Studio is the MVP. But if you're going enterprise, need gnarly analytics, wild modeling, and tight governance, even if it costs extra, Qlik Sense is just a beast. That's the winner for advanced users, without question. Love geeking out with us over Looker Studio and Qlik Sense? Hit subscribe and get ready for more BI tool deep dives. We're lining up more head-to-heads, so stay tuned for some big matchups.